Hi everyone, come to the accounts class. So in the previous session, we have discussed a few questions related to sacrificing ratio. And the same being in this session, we will discuss one more question related to same method. All of you observe the question here. X and Y are partners in a firm. Here, there are two partners in a firm, namely X and Y. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2, this is what whole profit sharing ratio in the partnership. They admit Z into the partnership. So here Z is a new partner into the business. X agreed to surrender. So here X partner, X is a whole partner, right? X partner is surrendered 1/2 is a share. 1/2 is a share into incoming partner, and on the same being Y agreed to surrender 1/4 is a share. 1/4 means whatever the profit they are receiving, out of the profit 1/4 that much of profit they are they are surrendered into incoming partner. So in the favor of Z, Z is a new partner, right? So finally calculate the sacrificing ratio. So one thing here, so compared to previous questions, so in this question there is an different. So in the previous questions maybe we have observed old ratios as well as new ratios. But here they given old ratio, on the same being they are given surrender share. So this is what quite different, right? So now in this situation again we need to calculate that sacrifice share. So already you know the sacrifice ratio in the previous session, when they given old ratio as well as new share means on that time old share minus new share. This is what formula for the calculation of sacrifice rate. But in this question there is an different. They given surrendered share. So first we need to write headline. Calculation of sacrifice share of X and Y. X and Y, both the partners, they are sacrificing into incoming partners, right? So first we need to record whatever the data given in the question. So first one, what profit sharing ratio they given. The what profit sharing ratio, this is what 3 is to 2, right? 3 is to 2, this is what profit sharing ratio in between X and Y. On the same X partner, they are surrendered. Surrender share of X. X, how much profit they are surrendering? Mean 1/2 of his share they are surrendered into incoming partners. The next one, surrender share of Y. How much profit they are giving to incoming partner here? 1/4 of his share. They are giving 1/4 of his share into incoming partner. This is what given data in this question. Now we need to identify sacrifice ratio, right? Now we can apply the formula. Sacrifice share equals to old share be given, right? Old share into surrender share. Old share into surrender share. The old partners, they are surrendering into incoming partner, Z partner. So first we need to identify in the X partner's sacrifice share. Sacrifice share of X. First of all, what is the old share of X? 3, right? 3 plus 2, 5. These 3 is to 2, we can convert it as 3 plus 2, 5, right? 3 by 5 is to 2 by 5. This is what ratios. 3 by 5, this is what? Old share of X. Have to write. 3 by 5 into what is the surrender share of x? So in that partner x surrender share 1 second share 1 by 2. Now we need to multiply. 3 ones are 3. And the same way 5 twos are 10. 3 by 10th share of profit they are sacrificing into incoming partner. And the same way now we can calculate one more partner sacrifice share. Sacrifice share of y. As per the given data, what is that old share of y? Here 2 by 5, this is what old profit sharing ratio of y, right? To write 2 by 5 into surrender share. Surrender share of y 1/4, right? 1/4 share of profit they are giving into incoming partner, right? 1 by 4. Now we can multiply 2 ones are 2. 5 fours are 20. So one thing here, the denominator fractions both are unequal. The ratios always should equal, right? Now we need to make equal balances. How we need to equal the lesser value, whatever that lesser value, we need to promote. So how we need to promote here? So here 20. This is what denominator fractions, but here 10, right? These are 10 value we need to promote by the left 20. So here 10 twos are. So easily we can divide among two value. To take two value. 3 twos are 6. And the same mean 10 twos are 20. Easily it can divide among two value. 3 twos are 6. 10 twos are 20. So now the denominator fractions both are equally. So finally we need to simplify. Sacrifice share of x and y. 6 by 20 is to 2 by 20. Yeah, 20 cancel means 6 is to 2. Again these values easily we can divide. Easily it will divide by the way of 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. And the same way 2 threes are 6. These are ratios we can divide by the way of 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So here 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. This is what sacrifice share of x and y partners in the partnership. So this is what solution regarding when the surrender share given in the question. On the time we need to utilize this formula for the calculation of this sacrifice share. Thank you, students.